Is it just me, or is it that everything that ICT teach, it just seems that it's totally the same thing, yeah? Because looking at what I'm seeing here, when ICT was teaching the market maker series, he was talking about should I say, he talks about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you're looking for your buy opportunities, and then Thursday, Friday, by then price has taken out the original consolidation, and once price takes out the original consolidation, Thursday might expand back into the range, or Friday might expand back into the range. So between that Thursday and Friday, you're looking for a classic market structure break in order to sell back down into the range. That between Thursday and Friday, you're no longer looking for should I say a buy, if that's a bullish candle. So looking at this EUR/USD higher time frame market maker buy model, as you can see here, we got the typical market maker buy model, which was this was the consolidation. After the consolidation, price expand away from the consolidation, which we know that this were all news, and later on price retrace back to the consolidation low, which ICT himself talks about as well, and then price expand down. After all that, we know that it was a key level in the daily time frame that this price came to, and ICT will teach in this key level we are looking for a pattern like this. We are looking for patterns like this. Is a low, price goes up, sweeps the low, then breaking market structure. Then at this point in this key level, we are interrelating it with other markets. That's to get something like this SMT divergence. That's smart money too. That's to know that market is doing what, a false break SMT pattern. That's maybe some of them will be creating lower low, some of them will be creating higher low, and which if you go into other pairs you will see it as well. And then this was the first confirmation for reversal, which was the false break pattern, which ICT will always say we will always look for. That's the first accumulation, that's manipulation. That's the Judas swing. Then after the Judas swing, we got the expansion, break of market structure, retracement back, and then we got the expansion away from this consolidation as well. Price retrace back down into the consolidation, and in this second phase of the reaccumulation, we got the after the markets expand away, then we get a retracement back to discount, which is price give this person sweep of liquidity, change in state of delivery, comes back down into this range and expands up. And again in the third accumulation, you can get a consolidation, and then price eventually goes for the should I say the original consolidation. Now as you can see, that's exactly what happened here. We got the sweep of the liquidity here, we got the consolidation here, we got the change in state of market. So at this point right here, what I'm anticipating to see if price will do what, after taking the original consolidation, we're looking for a retracement back into internal range. And if you look at what is happening here right now, you will just see that both the internal range liquidity and the market maker buy model and sell model are just two things intertwined. You just see that almost all the things that ICT teaches, that you just see that everything is just the same thing. You get, like, you just have to make sure, like, everything I've learned from ICT, these are the things I picked out from my tradings that I use now. I don't use everything ICT trade, because one thing I just found, I just like everything is just the same thing. So first of all, the market structure is bullish, and if you go to the dealing range is premium and discount, then order flow, PDR raise, power of 3, liquidity raise, weekly profile, external range to internal range liquidity. Then if you go to the, should I say, the reanalysis here, let's go to my forecasting that I'm doing this morning here. Going to the forecasting from the daily. Let's start from the weekly. So this is a market maker buying model that just happened, and normally we are going from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. So for you to see, like, I just feel like the analysis rhymes, which is the market structure is bullish and price is going for external range to internal range liquidity, and I don't know how to explain it, but it just feel like everything aligns, which is okay. Price has taken out the original consolidation, price has taken out an external range liquidity, and price is supposed to retrace back after taking out an external range liquidity and come for internal range liquidity, and price has purged the original consolidation in market maker buy model, and price is supposed to do what? Retrace back down into the range as well. So you can see both the external range liquidity and the internal range liquidity matrix aligns with the what market maker buy model rules of how price is delivered. So this is more like saying, okay, order flow, market delivery, and every other thing aligns, making this a probability of this trade actually going to be able to play out to then come down as well to this back into the range. So that's what I'm expecting. So doing should I say 1 hour of deep work focus and then taking a little bit break again. So right now I have a lot of things to do. I have, should I say, the timetable from my work schedule. Like every week I'll be time blocking myself. This is something I'm going to learn. If it's to restudy other block again, I'll restudy other block. If it's to restudy internal range and external range liquidity, I'll restudy it. If it's to restudy market structure, I'll restudy market structure. If it's to restudy other flow, because these are just the things I picked up from ICT, making it simple and using it to work. So yeah, the whole place is so nice. Like having my time alone, myself, and yeah, just utilizing my time and being more productive with everything I'm doing. So it's because I'm off today, so I'm using it to my full satisfaction. So yeah, that's guys. I've literally spent the whole of my day here, and currently I'm looking at AUD-USD trade, and the trade is looking nice, but what I'm not through it is that we're in a premium, and I'm expecting a retracement for internal range liquidity. So I wouldn't be wanting to be buying like in the middle of nowhere. Okay. Alright, let's come to school. Show you guys the trade here. I came here around 10:30 or so, and this is already 2:41. So the trade is if you look at this 1 hour here, you see that we have the continuation trade back up here, which is we have this other block. Here, which is today's other block, and then using our feet from this way to this time, we got OTPs. You can see our price is respecting OTP. It started raining, so right now I'm heading home. I was really able to forecast, and it started raining. Yeah, I was able to forecast, and at least I got this little bit light bulb moment of the market maker buy model, whereby after the SMT we are looking forward to a grab of liquidity kind of reaccumulation. And what else again? I think that was it. And also just how price respects a gap up. So that's more like it. It's a nice scenery, something I would still want to stay more, but I'm not eating. Not even breakfast. I've not had breakfast. So I'm trying to head home to get something to eat. But I'll just continue the walk at home. It's a nice place to actually spend time and constantly remind yourself if you're feeling down because of slow progress, just know that nothing everything good takes time. Takes time. But I guess that sometimes to get to a period of your life that you like, I think like there was this realm in my life that I was feeling so down that immediately something like a little bit of success clicks like this. I couldn't remember all those pain I was feeling then, and I was just appreciative of the growth. And right now I just feel like it's just something to reflect back into and remember the mechanism that I was like, okay, this was something that happened then, and this was how later on something felt after you have received what you were actually looking forward to. And that's the kind of mindset I'm trying to actually incorporate now, knowing that pain, after the pain comes the gain. So I think I'm gonna be I am just, should I say, prepping to go into work now, and I just closed out some of the position out of the trades. Today is 16th of July. I could remember the date because in a month's time I'm expecting this, on the 6th of August I'm expecting my Google AdSense pin, so that's why I was able to recall the 16th of should I say July. So yesterday I set the entry and immediately I got tagged in, and the trade actually went into deep profit, so I had to close out some, and now I'll be entering into the place I work. So with time I'm gonna be ending this video here, so you guys should stay cool. And hi guys, I'm gonna be doing a quick rundown on how the week was. The week was profitable, and we closed with a positive P&L. Imagine making $14 in naira, that's 22,000 naira in 5 minutes. It's crazy. So right now what I want to do is show you guys what I expected versus what later happened in the market, and some of the things that occurred. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Forex, and I'm on a forex trading growth journey. And if it's your first time, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. So yes guys, let's just run down through the week and what we expected. We missed some good trades. We were able to take one and still closed in positive P&L. So right now this USD, going back to my notion, this was what I was expecting. I was expecting price to go back to this fair value gap right here in the 1 hour, and then to sell off. But if you guys should see, like, I was expecting a price to retrace back into the internal range liquidity. I missed the 15-minute entry. I was so pained. Like the time you guys saw me going home, that was when this trade happened. So going over, as you guys can see, we got the manipulation, and this was type of a counter trend, because what the market structure is bullish, but most times you might actually catch the trade properly, in the sense that we're already getting a reversal, but even though the price actually expanded up more, but the trade we were expecting was what later happened. So let me show you guys. So right here, so it's the AUD that pained me the most, for real. So right here in the 1 hour, I expecting price to retrace back to this fair value gap to sell down, but in the 15 minutes, after we got a change in state of delivery, this was the trade here. I missed this trade, this one. After this change in state of delivery, breaking market structure with this swing low, retracement back to this fair value gap. I think this was the news that pushed it up. So by the time I was able to get home, relaxing and every other thing, the trade has already expanded to internal range liquidity and swept this liquidity before going up to the upside. Before this was the retracement back to the internal range liquidity, and this this type of counter trend trades, if you want to take them, you should reduce your risk because you don't know how much expansion price is going to be doing into the range. And also, better still, you might actually leave the trade if you're not sure, unless you now start continuously seeing open floats. That's when price is continuously taking lows. That's you're knowing that price is now changing the state of market structure entirely. That's open floats taking lows, taking lows, taking lows. So although we have already started having a reversal, this trade I missed it between Thursday and Friday, but it's all fine. I didn't see a proper entry, although the DXY gave a proper confirmation of the trade properly. Like most times I do used to like DXY, but it's that you can't trade DXY. So as you can see in DXY, we already have this sweep here, although it was relatively equal low. If you check, you have SMT, we have a change in state of delivery, we have breaking market structure, we have retracements back into this fair value gap. As you can see how order flow, as you can see how all this body of these candles are respecting this order block. I saw this DXY, but I didn't see a proper entry in USD and the rest. It was just consolidating, although this one did sweep. Well, got a change in state of delivery here, but there was no fair value. The price retraced back, consolidated before smashing down. GBPUSD change in state of delivery. This candle here making it another block. As you can see how this body candles respecting, but this was actually the trade I took that made me profit. So I was expecting that price could go here, but it seems that price was not already doing the entire reversal, so that's why I had to just take 1:2 trade and just leave. And later on coming back, I just saw price surged up. I was like, yeah, that's it. So this is now where I can say that you're already having a proper reversal to the downside, because what price is already taking lows and breaking market structures. So I think that was all for today. So I think when I come back, I'm going to do a proper analysis to check what the week is going to be like and what I'm anticipating in the week. So this was the AUD trade I missed. Like, it was so painful. Like I think let me show you guys. It was so painful, yeah. And it was the trade I was talking about before the rain started. If you guys watched the beginning, the analysis, I was like, damn. I wanted to get pissed off. So after looking at other pairs, and I saw that okay, it was only GBPUSD that I could take. As you can see here, price to come back to internal range liquidity. And if you check it in the daily now, you see that that's what price is already doing, and that was what I was anticipating in price, and price just like messed me up. I was so angry, yeah. As you can see, guys, look at, let me show you guys. One thing in trading is most times you can be an analyst and not be a trader. That was what trading will humble you, yeah. So as you guys can see, you see before and after. So I was expecting this to hit that, and then bearish validation. We've already gotten a validation now. As you can see, we're already here. So that's what I was expecting, but I missed entry, and I'm this kind of person. I already know my type of person. I already know once I miss a proper entry in a trade, it's like if I should enter another place, I'm no longer, should I say, calm to remain in that trade. A lot of thoughts will be going through my head. So I always try my best to enter at a proper place anytime I see trade potential. Okay, you see, after I missed this trade, was not paying attention, but it was not literally much of my fault because that time I was still coming home, and before I could do everything I needed to do and relax and check out the trade has already, look at where I would have entered. I was waiting for price to close below this candle here to make it an order block, and this was where price closed back, and this was where price retraced back. As you can see, price tagged in and just continuously go down. So as you can see, waiting to see if price would close below this candle for change in state of delivery, this candle here, and that's what that happened. And retracement back was where I was supposed to be tagged in, and yeah, that was more like it. And yeah, I'm proud of myself. I need to be telling myself that, yes. So just keep on going, and right now we know that it's no longer, should I say, it's not the technical problem again. We're already good at, not the best, but we're already good at technicals. We're already good at calling out analysis. We're a good analyst, but we're not yet a good trader because we lack both the capital required to, should I say, become fully a trader. But yeah, I'm proud of how far I've come, and yeah, let's keep going and gathering the capital, because yeah, getting a job actually and trying to be the one to fund myself myself is, even as much as I might even have somebody fund me and everything, it wouldn't feel like that struggle, that satisfaction. They are giving me money for funding, but they're giving me money to take care of myself, to have that stability. That's why I don't want to even trade for anybody. I want to trade for myself. I'm doing this as an entrepreneur, like doing my thing by myself. Like I don't want people around, like being the reason I will have to have money before I do. So I just want to grow from my discomfort, like do everything by myself. Like I'm already grateful for my brother Zubi. I'm grateful for my brother Zico. Like they have been like my whole support. Like I don't know what life would be like without those my three brothers, for real. Like they have been everything to me, and I'm not somebody that is a leech that I will constantly expect them to do everything for me. I need to do something for myself again, because at some point, like you ask and ask, you will get shy. So that's why I'm actually working and trading, and it's not really affecting me that much, even though I miss a couple of trades here and there. Most of the times the money I'm getting, or even from my good paying job right now, it's not about the money, it's about the freedom the money gives me, in order that I have another place money is coming from. So I'm not emotionally attached to every single trade I'm taking. Get it? So it's just the psychology aspect of all that. That's why I'm going through all that. So I think I've talked too much, and right now I just need to prepare for job and go for my afternoon shift, 8 hours job. So please, and do what to do, like and subscribe to this channel, okay?